Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone tags you in a photo on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off photo tag notifications on Instagram so you can enjoy your feed without interruptions. First, open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines icon, often called the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page with various options. Scroll down until you find Notifications and tap on it. Next, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section controls the notifications related to your posts, stories, and interactions like comments and tags. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Photos of You. This is where Instagram manages notifications for photos in which you are tagged. Finally, select Off to disable notifications for photo tags. This means you will no longer receive alerts when someone tags you in a photo, giving you control over what notifications you want to see. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you can stop photo tag notifications and reduce distractions while using Instagram. Feel free to explore other notification settings to customize your Instagram experience even further. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram feed.